Hello my friends, let me introduce to you, yes, you know this camera because it's been so popular for the last, I believe, 2 years. There are so many reviews of this camera on YouTube, so let me make my own contribution. I bought this camera a month ago on Amazon for $79, brand new. Now the price for this camera may vary because depends on the package, whether or not you buy the camera along with the set of films or separately. I bought it separately. I bought the films separately, so it cost me $79. So let me do a quick review of this camera. Maybe I'll find a new angle to it among so many videos on this camera. SQ6 Fujifilm square format instant camera, and with a huge lens. This is the on-off button, not button, actually switch. And the camera has zoomed out right now. Now, if you have never held this camera before and never worked with it, you might think that it has the manual zoom, but it doesn't, because the zoom is fully automatic, fully pre-programmed. Depends on the mode you select. Here's a whole set of modes here, and here is the button, mode button, and depends on what mode you select, the lens either zooms in or zooms out. Let me show you. Let me show you right now. So I'm gonna start pressing the mode button. It's an automatic mode right now. It's initial mode. Once you turn the camera on, it's gonna set itself on automatic mode. So watch the lens. No? Oh no, I am pressing, actually I am pressing the self timer. Sorry. Okay, watch the lens. You see? Okay, it's like that. Let me return to the automatic mode. Okay, it has the modes are automatic. It's macro mode, landscape mode, double exposure mode, light condition, and darker condition, and also I think self-portrait mode. Okay, so this is obviously flashlight, and it comes with the gel, with colored gels which you could put over the flash and make your flash either green or yellow or red or blue. Here's the film slot. The films come out of here, so when you hold the camera like this, the film is coming out at the top, on the top. Here is the shutter release button here. I can use, the camera is empty now, but I can press it. Normally it doesn't buzz so long. It's buzzing so long only because the camera is empty, so the computer is looking for the film to eject, so it takes a while because it's empty. Okay, let me turn it off. The film runs on 2 batteries here, 2 CR2 batteries. Now I've noticed that instant cameras, they have this trend, they I like to run on CR2 batteries. The problem is they are not readily available in the stores near you, so you might you might not find CR2 batteries in your neighborhood, so you most probably will have to order it online, and it's a little more expensive than, let's say, AA or AAA batteries. Okay, here's the film compartment. Now, actually, I've loaded the cartridge, and I've shot first films on this camera, and I'm gonna show them to you, the films. And here's the empty cartridge. Okay, it's I believe it's square format only, unlike the square format camera from Lomo, from Lomography, which can use, which is more flexible, which can use both square format and mini format. This is square format only, which is okay with me. I don't mind. So here is the button for which I used mistakenly for setting self timer. This is on and off flash, and like I said before, this is the set of the modes. Okay, so what else? It does have a tripod mount. It's located on the side, on the far side of the camera, on the far right. I don't know, I have never tried a tripod with this camera. I don't know if it's so convenient. I think, in my humble opinion, the best way is to locate the tripod mount in the center, but okay. When I try, I'll tell you, I'll let you know. Okay, this is the viewfinder. It's pretty convenient viewfinder, but the problem is when you are trying to use the camera in a macro mode, that's the problem, because you cannot see your object, an object you are taking a picture of, because you cannot judge how you point your lens by looking through this viewfinder. Like with the camera I advertised before, the Lomography square format camera, same story here. You cannot judge what you are doing when it's in macro mode, when you have to bring your camera, your lens, real close to the object you want to take a picture of. This is the disadvantage. So when you are trying to use this camera in a micro mode, just remember it's a problem. Okay, so what else? Basically that's it. Let me, this is the mirror for selfie. These are sensors, light sensors, flash sensors. They define the light condition, and let's say in an automatic mode they decide whether or not you have to use a flash. Okay, what else? Yeah, that's it. Nice. It's pretty weighty, and as you see, it's sizable camera. And actually, for convenience, I bought, it's sold separately. I bought the case, a leather case for SQ6 camera. It doesn't fit neatly, but anyway, it looks nice. Okay, just 1 second. It feels like a genuine leather. Actually feels and looks nice, like this. Okay. Now, let's put this aside. I took, like I said, I took the first set of pictures with this camera. This is how square format films look like. Actually, pretty nice pictures came out. The only picture I messed up with, this is the one. I decided it was in middle. It was by the way, here this is the macro mode. I was trying hard to place the flower right in the middle of my lens. Didn't work because I couldn't judge by looking through that viewfinder. This is how it works with macro mode, so you have to aim really well. Other than that, only this didn't come out well. I decided it was, like I said, it was bright sunny day, and I chose the dark light condition mode, and it looks like it's in the middle of the night. Some lawn and the artificial light and the dark background, but actually it was, as I said, a bright sunny day. Well, sorry about that. Okay, so now I will have to load a new film, new cartridge, which contains 10 films. Okay. Oh boy, it's not easy to take it out. Okay, you have to be careful if you decide to buy a leather case for this camera. Every time you need to take the camera out, be careful, because you might use significant effort to take this out, and you might drop the camera, and I'm not sure it's gonna survive if you drop it, let's say, on a hard floor, because at least it feels pretty fragile. I'm not gonna test its ability to survive the drop. I'm gonna load the camera. Okay, here's the yellow mark here. I'm not sure if you are able to see it. Okay, and I believe here's another yellow mark here. It's more seeable, and they must coincide. They must be one against another. Okay, now I'm gonna close, and I'm gonna press the shutter release, because I need to eject the cover of the cartridge. Let's see how it works. Oh, I have to turn it on. Sorry. Okay. 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 That's it. Done. The camera is ready. Okay, so I've made these photos already, so you're gonna see it along with this video, with this review. Okay, wish me luck. Hope to see you soon. Wish you survive. I wish you to survive these terrible times. I'm sure you will, and we will come out of this coronavirus calamity stronger and healthier than before. To hell with the coronavirus, death to the coronavirus. God bless you all.